In this video, we'll see how to subtract a part from assembly to another part from assembly. Say I want to subtract this part from this part. So how to do that? You cannot do the boolean operation since we are not in a part mode. So for that, what I'll do is I'll first edit this part and I'll take the surfaces of this part. I'll go to the surface option, offset surface, keep it 0, and select all the surfaces that you need. Okay, you got all the surfaces. Just click OK. Then open the part that you extracted the surfaces into. Okay, so this is the actual part, and you extracted the surfaces from the other part. Since this is a surface, you need to make this solid to perform a boolean operation. For that, I'll use a thin option. Select this, create solid from enclosed volume. I'll give OK. So while doing the thickening, you should remember one thing: remove this merge result. Okay, so then these two become a separate body, and now you can perform the boolean operation like you do in the part where you want to add or subtract. So since I'm doing a subtraction, so this will be my main body, and this will be my part, that body that need to be subtracted. Okay. Now part from the assembly got subtracted here inside the part. And now one more important thing is, it is always linked. Say if you move the part here and update, Control B, subtracted here too. So wherever you move, the part will get updated. That's it. Thank you.